Hey guys, want to get a chance to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is click on the link in the description below where it says click here to become eligible for the free money giveaway. Once you follow those instructions, and when I reach 6,000 subscribers, 2 people will get a chance to win the free money. So go ahead and click on the link, follow those instructions, and help me get to 6,000 subscribers. Now let's get into this video. This is AppGrind TV. Get your grind on. Welcome to AppGrind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you this free way to earn $100 per day to watch videos. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And for every 1,000 new subscribers I receive, I give away free money. So do yourself a favor right now and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like. It really helps out my channel, and it helps out this video to be seen by more people on YouTube. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions at all about what I'm talking about today in this video. Now guys, please watch this video all the way to the very end because I have a special bonus I want to share with you guys. Now, without further ado, let me hop over here to my computer and show you this method. Let's grind and let's get it, family. Okay, guys, I'm on the internet and I'm at this website, and I'll tell you the name of the website in a minute. So this is the website you're going to use to make money watching videos. Now, it says here, connect, click, and earn. Discover how easy it is to advertise and earn at the same time. So, the advertisement is for individuals or companies that want to advertise their website or blogs or whatever they want to advertise on here, or any type of ads. And you're going to earn. So, get paid to click. We're the very first PTC to have a unique points program that lets you increase the value of your paid ads. So guys, all you're going to be doing is looking at some ads, clicking on them, and making some money. Now let's just scroll down here and learn a little bit more. So earning money online just got easy. We have different options to maximize your earnings, especially for members who are more active through our platform than the rest, as we unlock exclusive features with big rewards. Now they have an app, and you can download this app on the Apple Store, the Google Play Store. And check this out, guys. They have paid out over $9 million to their members. Over $9 million, guys. Now, the name of this website is Paidverts, as you can see. Now, to let you know this is a legit website and you can make some money on here, I'm going to click right here where it says Earners. And as you can see here, here's the last 48 top earners. So you can see this person right here made some money. They cashed out. This person right here made some money. As you can see, all these people have made money and cashed out, and they're the top 48 earners. So you can click right here. You can look at some more earners. Now it says here, Paidverts pays you to interact with advertisers. So paid ads will be delivered to your account daily. All you have to do is copy 3 lines of text about the ad and visit the website for up to 30 seconds to unlock your instant cash payment. That's all you have to do, guys. That's simple. That's simple. And earn more with bonus ad points. So bonus ad points are how we measure your proven value to prospective advertisers. The more you accumulate, the larger value ads your account will gain priority in receiving. So what they're saying, guys, is the more that you look at these ads, the more you will get more ads to check out. And let's go ahead and scroll down here and look at some payment proof. So this is more payment proof. This is like recently, not the top 48 like we saw up there at the top. This is recent. So this person right here, they have made $5, and this is recent, like a couple of days ago, on the 27th of March. This person have cashed out. As you can see, this person have cashed out. And as you can see over here on the left hand side, this is people all around the world. These are flags that represent each country. So this is all around the world, guys. You guys always ask me, are you able to get on this website, get on these websites in your country? You'll be able to use this website and get paid in your country, guys. Now, that's all I'm gonna say about this website. I've talked about other websites that's similar to this before, but this website, I have talked about this website before. It's been a while, but I wanted to go ahead and tell you about this website, because this is one of the best websites you can make some money on, for paid to click and looking at videos, video ads. So if you're going to go ahead and start with this website, go ahead and go to paidverts.com. Thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me and help me to get at least 50 likes. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions at all about this method. And guys, please share this all around the internet, because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online and become their own boss. And last but not least, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. Okay guys, if you're still watching this video, let me tell you about the special bonus. The special bonus is, type this number that's going to pop up on the screen right now. Type it down in the comments below. It's going to help you increase your chances of winning the free money once I reach 6,000 subscribers, which will be in a couple of days, guys. So please, guys, type that down there, because you could be a lucky winner if I choose you. Okay, thank you for your support. Thank you for everything, guys. Road to 6,000. Let's get there. Share this video everywhere. Hit that like so the algorithm can get this video out there to more people, and we can get to 6,000 subscribers in a couple of days. And one other thing, I am going to do some more shout outs, so please drop a creative comment below, and if I pick your comment, I will shout you out in my next video. Okay, that's it. I really thank you guys. I know I said that before, but I really do thank you guys for your support. One more thing before I go. Get your grind on, because the grind is real. Go check out some of these other videos until my next one come out. Peace, and always have a prosperous day.